demonstration of the two-wheel drive circular robotic chassis. So as you can see, it has a two-wheel system with two wheels here and one wheel below it. So it is a quite a good robot for robotics project development, as well as for use in robotic workshops and competitions for developing mini robots. So it is a circular design with two motors, which can be used with your own circuitry, and also you can easily mount your own components in these slots, as well as screw your components and other mechanisms on this circular robot. So it is a quite strong design, and you can easily create your own robotic projects, small robotic projects using this chassis. Thank you.